To my YouTube channel. For today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how to check your relay if it is bad or good. So this is 4 pins. So this automotive relay tester, this is capable for 12 volts and 24 volts. So you can use this one into a car or a truck relay. Okay, so now let's begin. I'm gonna show you guys how to check this if it is bad or good. This relay, this is 4 pins. So let's insert here at the middle. Okay, so once you insert already the relay, so you have to set up into 12 volts. So this relay is 12 volts, as you can see. Okay and bad. Okay, and then this indicate at the top of the screen 4 pins. So this is 4 pins. And then so once already set up everything, the relay and the indicator here, so set into 12 and 4 pins, as you can see. So let's begin the test. All you have to do is to press this and then listen the click of this relay if it is working or not. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this relay is good. So as you can see, the color green okay, and the clicking is working properly. So this is how to check your relay, car or truck relay, 24 or 12 volts, using this automotive relay tester. It's easy for you guys to check your relay. If your relay is bad or good, so you can check this using this automotive relay tester. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Automotive Knowledge Power. Thank you so much everyone for subscribing my channel. See you next time, and don't forget to thumbs up and share.